Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the service models in cloud computing. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cloud computing. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page and Instagram as well. So friend, companies are experiencing an unprecedented burden on their IT infrastructure as they struggle to meet growing customer expectations for fast, reliable and secure services. As they try to increase the processing power and storage capabilities of their IT systems, often these companies find that the development and maintenance of a robust, scalable and secure IT infrastructure is prohibitively expensive. Luckily, there is another option. Instead of acquiring extra hardware, your company can embrace cloud computing. Cloud computing is a rapidly growing industry which allows companies to move beyond on premise IT infrastructure and instead rely on internet based services. Cloud based providers often offer services such as software, storage, and processing of at affordable prices. In fact, your company can save up to 30% by implementing a cloud based solution. Cloud computing is offered in three different service models which each satisfy a unique set of business requirements. These three models are known as software as a service (SaaS), platform as a service (PaaS), and infrastructure as a service (IaaS). SaaS, software as a service, offers applications that are accessed over the web and are not managed by your company but by the software provider. This relieves your organization from the constant pressure of software maintenance, infrastructure management, network security, data availability, and all the other operational issues involved with keeping applications up and running. SaaS billing is typically based on factors such as number of users, usage time, amount of data stored, and number of transactions processed. This service model has the largest market share in cloud computing. According to Gartner, its sales will reach 117 billion USD by the year of 2022. Current applications for SaaS include field service solutions, system monitoring solutions, architectures, solutions, schedulers, and more. SaaS advantages: with SaaS, you don't need to install and run software applications on your computer or any other computer. Everything is available over the internet when you log into your account online. You can easily access the software from any device anytime as long as there is internet connection. The same goes for anyone else using the software. All your staff will have personalized login suitable to their access levels. Another key advantage is the payment structure. Most subscriptions include maintenance, compliance, and security services, which can be time consuming and costly when using on premise software. SaaS providers also offer out of the box solutions that are simple to set up if you need a basic package, with more complex solutions for larger organizations. You could have the basic software up and running within a matter of hours, and you will have access to customer service and support along the way. PaaS, platform as a service, is halfway between the infrastructure as a service (IaaS) and software as a service (SaaS). It offers access to a cloud based environment in which users can build and deliver applications without the need of installing and working with IDEs, integrated development environment, which are often very expensive. Additionally, users can often customize the features they want included with their subscription. According to Gartner, PaaS has the smallest market share of the three service models, with a projected revenue of 27 billion USD by the year 2022. In today's market, PaaS providers offer applications such as Microsoft Azure, also AWS, Google App Engine, and Apache Stratos. PaaS advantages: PaaS is primarily used by developers who are building software or applications. This means developers don't need to start from scratch when creating applications, saving them a lot of time and money on writing extensive code. PaaS is a popular choice for businesses who want to create unique applications without spending a fortune or making on all the responsibility. It's a kind of like the difference between hiring a venue to put on a show versus building a venue to put on a show. The venue stays the same, but what you create in that space is unique. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, offers a standardized way of acquiring computing capabilities on demand and over the web. Such resources include storage facilities, networks, processing power, and virtual private servers. These are charged under a pay as you go model, where you are billed by factors such as how much storage you use or the amount of processing power you consume over a certain time span. In this service model, customers do not need to manage infrastructure. It is up to the provider to guarantee the contracted amount of resources and availability. According to Gartner, this service model is forecasted to grow by 35.9% by 2018. IaaS services offered today include Google Cloud Platforms and Amazon EC2. Cloud computing has been around for quite some time now. However, it will continue to evolve as offer faster and more reliable networks offer increased benefits to service providers and consumers alike. With these advancements, there are growing opportunities to develop business models in an increasingly connected economy. IaaS advantages: maintaining on-premise IT infrastructure is costly and labor intensive. It often requires a significant initial investment in physical hardware, and then you will probably need to engage external IT contractors to maintain the hardware and keep everything working and up to date. IaaS solutions are highly flexible and highly scalable, and you can replace it whenever you need without losing money on your initial investment. Another advantage of IaaS is its put control over the infrastructure back in your hands. You no longer need to place faith in an external IT contractor. You can access and oversee IaaS platform yourself if you wish. Examples of SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Most businesses use a combination of SaaS, IaaS cloud computing service model, and many engage developers to create applications using PaaS too. SaaS examples: BigCommerce, Google Apps, Salesforce, Dropbox, MailChimp, Zendesk, DocuSign, Slack, HubSpot. PaaS examples: AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Heroku, Windows Azure mostly used as PaaS, Force.com, OpenShift, Apache Stratos, Magento Commerce Cloud. IaaS examples: AWS EC2, Rackspace, Google Compute Engine GCE, DigitalOcean, Magento 1 Enterprise Edition. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.